Hi everybody, here's another sneak peek of the barn, of what we've got going on out here for you. And we are going to be open so soon. You guys keep a watch out for when we post that we're going to be open. But we cannot wait to share this all with you. We've got so many fun goodies, crafting treasures. A lot of them are vintage, which you'll see. We have a lot of vintage trims, vintage things to craft with. We're going to have a lot of classes out here. This is just a little bit. This is just one side of the barn. There's 3 sections of the barn. And some of our classes are going to be on some of our vintage cards that we do for the holidays as well. Got all of our wood chips up. A lot of our coloring books. They're all here. So we have lots and lots of fun things. I cannot wait for you guys to come out and visit and have one of our events out here. So I will keep you posted. Bye.